Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix screen color on Samsung Galaxy A36. Let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Modes and Routines. Scroll down and click on Sleep Mode and turn off. After turn off sleep mode, go back and you will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, click on display. After you click on display, click on light. After applied light mode, go back, scroll down and click on accessibility and click on VN enhancement. Click on color filter and turn off color filter button. You will see your problem is solved. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can fix screen color on Samsung Galaxy A36. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.